Y'all know what to do. Smash that like button. Let's get this to 50 likes. I know we can do it, so smash that like button. And also subscribe if you're new to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time I put a new video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. that was the video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. So smash that like button. I'd really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends, and tell them to subscribe as well. It really helps out with the channel. And also, comment start drawing. Don't be afraid to comment, because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Madara Uchiha from the Naruto series. I had a lot of fun making this drawing. I love making these type of drawings because I really get to play around with the color schemes like I did with my Sasuke and my Itachi drawing. And I really love the glowing effect that I did with the Renegon, and I really love the Susanoo in the background, so I hope you all enjoyed as much as I did. I'm going to be leaving this in my drawing playlist in the description, so if you want to check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters I've drawn before that you may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. And I also have a Naruto and Boruto drawing playlist there, so check that out. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.